Come on, saints of God. He said, come out from among them and be ye separated from the unclean thing. What's unclean? Now, what we call unclean today ain't unclean. Because, see, society is embracing everything that's not of God. Society is walking them in now. Come on, homosexuals can hug and kiss. Two girls walking down the street hugging and kissing. Come on, it's common to society. You say something wrong with you. See, before you had to worry about the two men, but now the two men is old-fashioned. Come on, the young girls is taking over. Come on, saints of God. See, we had some old dykes. They didn't change the name now. Come on, you ain't no lesbian, they got names for them. Come on, everything got a new name. But it's still sin. Come on, it's abomination. Come on, saints. You go into the book of Leviticus, God said it's a sin, come on, for a man to lay with another man. It's a sin for a woman to lay with another woman. For an animal to lay with another animal. Come on. You got people having sex with animals. Come on here. Ain't nobody talking about the sin factor. God said he requires that people live holy. God required that the sin that has come into the world, he ain't pleased with it. Come on here, ain't nobody getting away, church. Them preachers can get on television and talk all that sweet stuff and sow your seed in this ministry and buy my book and my tape